Hi, welcome to my video. In it I'm going to be discussing why anybody would want to buy a VPN online and what sort of things do they use it for. Right, a VPN is a virtual private network, and it's basically a secure connection between you and a VPN server. It's used for a variety of reasons, and I'll just run through them quickly now. One of the main ones, and one of the main ones I use it for, is to secure your internet connection. An internet connection is by its very nature insecure. If you connect through a VPN, however, all your details and your information are encrypted, and it can help to keep your connection secure while you're at home using your normal Wi-Fi network maybe, or especially important when you're traveling. Perhaps you're using a cafe Wi-Fi or an airport or a library or something like that. You don't really know how secure those Wi-Fi networks are set up, who runs them. Using a VPN will mean your connection is completely secure because it's all encrypted and nobody can see what you're doing online. Other good reasons are just anonymity. You have very little privacy online. Every time you go and download a film or go to a website, watch a movie, download a picture, it's all logged at your ISP. Every single thing you do, every website you visit. Also, every website you do visit also logs your IP address, and they can tell who you are, where you're from, and what sort of content you're doing. Lots of people want a bit more privacy than this, and a VPN provides a lot of that. It stops anybody listening between, and it encrypts your entire connection. Your ISP logs basically are then anonymized. Reason 3, depends where you live. This might be a big or a bigger issue. There are many internet restrictions and a lot of censorship online, and it's growing all the time. For instance, in lots of the Middle Eastern countries like UAE and Bahrain, there are tens of thousands of websites that are just simply blocked. I mean, you can't access things like Skype from many of these countries, which is a bit of a pain if you want to. It means you have to pay for phone calls from those countries if you're traveling or abroad. Lots of social networking sites are blocked all over the world. Even something mainstream like YouTube and Facebook get blocked in loads and loads of countries. Turkey, for instance, blocked them this year. The fifth reason, another hugely popular reason, is called geoblocking or geotargeting. You might have heard of this. It's where a website will block access based on your location, and it's something perhaps I'm going to demonstrate now to show my VPN of choice, and I'll show you how it works with this. It also does all the other things I mentioned, but basically I'm going to show you how you bypass these restrictions based on your location. You can see up on my screen I've got NBC, which is an American TV network which has got loads of great stuff online. Now, what happens, I'm in the UK at the moment, what happens when I try and access something like this? Hopefully you can hear this. When I try and access one of the... Content is currently unavailable. Hopefully you heard that rather annoying voice. Content is currently unavailable. I'm going to turn that off now. And that's basically what you get, or you get this message saying that you can't basically view anything. This is because it's an American TV network, and it blocks access to anybody who's based outside the USA. So I'm going to show you how to bypass that using a VPN. The one I use is called Identity Cloaker, and here it is. It's got lots of different modes and it's got lots of different functionality, but the very basic one is very simple to use. Okay, what I'm going to show you here now is to just access the NBC site there. Now I'm in Britain at the moment, and I can't watch it because I'm in Britain and I've got a British IP address. What I'm going to do is it's set up my American VPN. You see, they're all included here. I'm just going to click one and connect. And this will basically establish a, no, it's American. An American VPN now is now connected. Now all my data will now flow through this VPN, so it's encrypted. But the real benefit I've got here is I want to fool the NBC website that I'm now in America. Okay. Now we're going to go over to the website. Remember, the VPN is now established, and I'm going to try and watch this video that I just watched previously. Let's just click. Remember, I got the annoying message last time because I'm in the UK. This time, hopefully, I should be able to watch it. I think it's only a clip of something. And hopefully you can see now, instead of getting the annoying message, I've got the clip coming up there. Okay, I'm going to cancel that there. Hopefully you can see that it works perfectly. Now that's because the website now thinks I'm in America, so it bypasses all the blocks, the censorship, the filters, everything like that, and goes straight there. Alternatively, if I was in America, I wanted to watch BBC iPlayer, I'd connect up and I'd use one of the UK servers. Let me just show you there. I'd scroll down and change to a UK address. You can see all these are included. Australia, loads and loads of American, loads of Canadian, French, Irish, hundreds of UK servers, Russian, Czech, Swiss, stuff like that, all over the place. Basically, it allows you to change, if you're worried about geo-blocking, so being blocked based on your location, you can use that. You can pick the country you need. If you're just worried about the security or bypassing internet censorship or stuff, just use a country that is not blocked. You know, it doesn't really matter which one. Okay, so this is my video, the end of my video. I'll try and keep it short now. Thank you for listening, and it's about VPNs and how you can buy VPNs online. My recommended one is Identity Cloaker. There are others out there, so check them out too if you want. Okay, thank you and goodbye.